There are various mechanisms we can use to add spacing to our auto layout. To start with, select the object and let's create an auto layout by right-click and click on Auto Layout. Now, if I hover between the spacing, I can see there is 27 pixels of spacing between two elements within the auto layout. Now, mechanism 1 to change is click and drag. The spacing will get increase and decrease. Second way to handle this thing is you click and on the top you will get an option to type the value that you want. I will type 45. And third mechanism is I will click, again open the same box, but this time I want to add the spacing in multiple of 10. I will press Shift and up arrow key from my Windows keyboard. That will give me the increment in a multiple of 10 on the positive side. However, if I want to reduce, then I will use just opposite, pressing the Shift key, but this time I will press arrow down key. The nudge amount is reducing by 10. You can even change this nudge amount. To do that, go on the left-hand side, go to the preference and scroll down to nudge amount. Instead of 10, if I put 5, now if I do this exercise once again, then press up arrow key, it will move in an increment of 5, and down key, it will move down by increment of 5. And one last but not the least method, which is the standard one, is go on the right-hand side and change from 45 to whatever number you like, let's say 90. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We have got plenty of exciting video coming on the way, so stay tuned.